Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the cohesive energy or binding energy of ionic crystals. This energy is also called as the Mendeleev energy. Now to calculate the cohesive energy or binding energy of ionic crystal, consider the case of sodium chloride crystal structure, that is NaCl crystal structure. NaCl crystal structure is the common crystal structure for ionic crystals. Now let Ui equal to interaction energy on the ion I due to all other ions, and Uij be the interaction energy between ions I and J of the crystal. Therefore, the interaction energy on ion I due to all other ions will be Ui equal to summation J Uij. Now Coulomb interaction energy due to the attractive forces is plus minus q square divided by Rij, where Rij it is the distance between the ions I and J, and the interaction energy between ions I and J due to the repulsive force is A divided by Rij to the power n, means plus minus q square upon Rij is the attractive energy and A divided by Rij to the power n is the repulsive energy. This is the attractive energy, this is the repulsive energy. Now the total interaction energy between the ions I and J will be the sum of these two energies. That is the sum of attractive energy and repulsive energy, and therefore Uij is A divided by Rij to the power n plus minus q square divided by Rij. Now put this value in this equation here. So interaction energy on ion I will be Ui equal to summation J A divided by Rij to the power n plus minus q square divided by Rij. This is represented as equation number 1. Now, if the NaCl crystal structure, it consists of n number of positive ions and n number of negative ions, then the total interaction energy of the crystal is given by U equal to n Ui. Now consider a dimensionless quantity Pij such that Rij equal to Pij into R. Pij is a dimensionless quantity. It is given by the relation Rij equal to Pij into R. Now Rij, it is the distance between the ions I and J, and this capital R, it is the nearest neighboring distance in ionic crystal. Capital R is the nearest neighboring distance in ionic crystal. Now put the value of this Rij in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is equation 1. We are substituting the value of Rij as Pij into capital R in this equation. After the substitution, we get Ui equal to summation I A divided by R to the power n Pij to the power n plus minus q square divided by Rpij. Therefore, this equation is simplified as Ui equal to A divided by R to the power n summation j 1 upon Pij to the power n plus minus q square upon R summation j 1 upon Pij. And therefore, the value of Ui is B to the power n divided by R to the power n minus alpha q square divided by R, which is represented as equation number 3. Now this is the value of Ui. Now here this is Bn. Bn is A summation j 1 upon Pij to the power n, and minus alpha is summation j plus minus 1 divided by Pij. Therefore, the value of alpha will be, this sign will come here, so it will become minus plus. So, alpha is summation j minus plus 1 divided by Pij. Here, alpha is the Coulomb energy constant called as the Madelung constant. Differentiating equation 3 with respect to R. This is equation number 3, ui equal to Bn r raised to n minus alpha q square upon r. We are differentiating this with respect to r. So LHS will be del by ui by del by r, and after the differentiation the RHS will be minus n Bn r to the power n plus 1 plus alpha q square upon r square. Now we know that at equilibrium separation, that is R equal to R0, the energy Ui has minimum value, but the net force on the ith ion is 0. Means at equilibrium separation, the energy, total energy is minimum, but the value of total force is 0. Now why total force is 0? Because at equilibrium separation, the magnitudes of attractive and repulsive forces are opposite and equal. Their magnitudes are equal, but the directions are opposite, and therefore the value of total force at equilibrium distance is 0. And therefore F is minus del by ui by del by r, that is equal to 0 at equilibrium separation. So del by ui by del r is this value, substitute here. So this negative sign will become positive, positive sign will become negative, and therefore we get nBn divided by r0 to the power n plus 1 minus alpha q square upon r0 square is equal to 0. Now the second term we are taking on the RHS, it will become positive, therefore nBn divided by r0 to the power n plus 1 is equal to alpha q square divided by r0 square. So the value of this Bn will be, what will be the value of Bn then? It is alpha q square r0 to the power n plus 1 divided by n r0. This r0 raised to n plus 1 will come here, so it will take this place, and n will come here, it will take this place here. Okay. Therefore, the value of Bn, r0 square, if we take towards the numerator, the power of r0 will be n minus 1, and therefore the value of Bn is alpha q square r0 to the power n minus 1 divided by n. This is the value of Bn. Now put this value in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? Equation number 3, we are all going backwards. Ui is Bn r raised to n minus alpha q square upon r. Substitute the value of Bn at this position, so we will get the energy Ui as alpha q square r0 raised to n minus 1 divided by n r0 to the power n minus alpha q square upon r0. Now in RHS, if we take this term common, alpha q square upon r0, first take this r0 here, then we will take it common, or let it be, afterwards we will do it. At equilibrium separation, we know the energy is minimum and it is represented by U0. So U0 will be alpha q square r0 to the power n minus 1 divided by n r0 to the power n minus alpha q square upon r0. Now take this value r0 n minus 1 in the denominator here. So it will become, the power of r0 will be 1, that is only r0. So u0 will be alpha q square n r0 minus alpha q square divided by r0. Now here take alpha q square upon r0 common. From RHS. So we will get U0 will be minus alpha Q square upon R0, 1 minus 1 divided by N. This is equation 4, and this equation 4, it represents the cohesive or binding energy of ionic crystal. It is called as the Medellin energy, and this energy represents the electrostatic interaction energy for ionic crystals. It is nothing but the cohesive or binding energy, which is also called as the Medellin energy. So this is the binding or cohesive energy for ionic crystals. That is U0 equal to minus alpha Q square upon R0 into 1 minus 1 divided by N. So thank you everyone.